Hi guys, if you have been wanting to create your own videos but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Don't be intimidated by the software, it is actually quite easy. So I'm gonna share with you on how to create a video. Let's start with the basics. The first thing to do is to create a new project. So click on a new project. Make sure that it is pointing to the right folder. So I usually like to keep it in my links and under working file. So I click on this and click choose. Okay, you can rename your file. So I rename it as Marshall Earpiece. So I leave all the settings as it is and click OK. So this is the Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so this is what you will usually see, the assembly layout. I've already set my layout. Okay, you can readjust the windows according to your preference. So this is my layout. Okay, so the first thing to do is to import your videos. So I will create a bin called raw. This file is where I will store all my videos. So how to import is to click on file, click on import, then go to your video folders, select everything, then click import. Okay, so now you have import all your videos. Now let's create a sequence. So you can create sequence using this new item. Click on sequence. Okay, I choose DSLR 180p and 30. So the standard videos are 1920 by 1080. So just make sure it is at the right frame size. Okay, I leave the rest of the setting as it is. Then you can change the sequence name and click OK. So you have your sequence right here and here. Okay, next is to import the videos into your sequence. So let's just change its view. Okay, so to import the video, okay, I double click on my chosen video. So let's just choose this. Okay, so the video will appear under the source window. Then you will scrub to see where do you want it to start and stop. So let's say I want to start right here. Yeah, okay, right there. Then I click on this button to set the in. Okay, where the video will start. Then I find my out, so where the video will stop. So out, you can click OK. So this is where video will stop. Then I click on insert. So it will insert the source into the timeline, the source into the sequence. So I just okay, I need to zoom in to I need to zoom in the timeline a bit. Okay, so this is my video. Let's input a couple more clips into the sequence. Here's my in, and here's the out. Okay, next. Okay, let's use this video. Okay, so just find my, so just scrub through to see, just scrub through to quickly preview the video. So I set my in, then I set my the out and input. Okay, let's choose one more video. Okay, so right here, set my in, about right here, set the out and insert. Okay, so I have my video files all lined up. Next, let's import my logo at the front of the video. So I create a new file called assets. Okay, then I import the logo. So make sure that you have your logo ready in PNG format. So find your logo. Okay, so this is my logo. Okay, so what I do is just click and drag, make sure that it's on top of the video file. You can adjust the length of the clip, so just click and drag. Okay, I think the size is too big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. Just go to effects, control, under scale. Okay, I think I'm gonna change it to 70. Yeah, I think this looks good, and I want to change the opacity right here to about 70. Yep. Okay, just nice. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna add in some music. Okay, so I create another folder called music. So I double click on it and I import my music. So look for my music file there. Okay, import. Okay, so just click and drag to the sequence. Okay, just give it a listen, and I want it to end right there. So I just zoom in a bit. Okay, then I use this tool, razor tool, or you can click the letter C. So click on your audio to cut. So So change to selection tool, then click on the rest of the music file and delete. So your music file ends right there. So you have your video file, you have your music file, and you have your logo. Next is to export the video. So you go to file, export, and media. Okay, so there will be this pop-up. So the format, just remain it as H.264. It is the same as MP4, only that it has a better compression, so just leave it as it is. For the presets, you can leave it as match source high bitrate, or you can just change it to YouTube 180p Full HD. So it will just automatically set all the settings to the presets. Okay, you can change your output name, make sure that it is exported to the right location. Okay, I don't touch all this anymore and just click on export. Okay, so now go to the folder. Let's watch this. Okay, so I hope you have learned something from the video. Do share with me if you have created your first video. Let me know if you have any other questions. Till the next video. Bye.